Nova with pressure up the middle, first down and more. Over the middle of the room to run for Grant. Grant down the sideline, finally knocked out of bounds inside the 20 at the 17-yard line. Janarian Grant scoots all the way inside the 20 at the 17, 53 yards for Rutgers. 35-yard attempt for Kyle Federico. And the kick by Federico off the upright, and it caroms through. That's the home field bounce for Federico. Now Hill, the motion man, out wide on 3rd and 3. Gardner in some trouble, and Gardner is sacked. First time tonight, Rutgers has gotten to Gardner. 3rd down and 8. At the 44. Play clock at 3. Nova with time over the middle. It's Carew, and Leonte Carew with a first down at the Michigan 32-yard line. Oh, did he take a pop at the end of that play from Jared Wilson? Somehow he hung on for a 24-yard gain, and he's slow to get up. This will be a 45-yard try, and it would be a season-long for Kyle Federico. His career long is 52 a couple of years ago. Federico's kick, curving and good. And Rutgers takes the lead with 1:32 remaining in the first quarter. 2 field goals from Kyle Federico.
There's a baseline test that you have to go through, and that's how they determine whether you're off.
3rd down and 16. Nova gonna run. Nova got the first down, just shy of the 40-yard line. He needed 16, and he scrambled all the way to the 39-yard line. Back on the field at the 20-yard line to start things off down 4. Play action. Nova with late pressure, airing it deep. He's got Terzilli wide open at the 40. Terzilli in a foot race. He's going to win the race and give Rutgers the lead. 80 yards. Nova to Terzilli, and Rutgers in front.
Starts with the play action. We talked about it, about the run game, but great route by Terzilli, great ball by Nova. He throws that ball in the middle of the field, lets the receiver run under it. And Coach, what a great story about Andrew Terzilli.
Yeah, he's
transferred from Kansas,
graduated from Kansas, becomes immediately eligible here in graduate school. He's from Butler, New Jersey.
Yes. He said his parents and his family.
Gardner. Blitz coming. Gardner gonna run. Gardner not gonna run far enough as he's dropped in front of the line of scrimmage by a yard. And the pressure by Rutgers will force the punt. Teray and Pinnock-Zondrick combine to stop Devin Gardner. At the 12-yard line, first down. Nova with the screen. Peoples got a block. Desmond Peoples down the sideline. Turn it on the Jets and chased out of bounds by Jeremy Clark. Desmond Peoples all the way out to the 43, a 31-yard gain on the play.
All of a sudden, you're going to start getting double covered.
3rd and 6. Nova over the middle, caught by Grant. Grant with a miss. Grant, another move. Dodging inside the 40. Grant inside the 35, and Janarian Grant all the way down to the 33 of Michigan. 27-yard pickup. Under a minute to go, first half. Rutgers down 5. Nova to the sideline, and a diving catch, and out of bounds, now incomplete. John Simas, the pass is incomplete, and it'll bring up 2nd and 10.
Let's watch it here. There's a little discussion on the sideline.
Ooh, that's close. They got to look at that. Does that left toe drag just a little bit?
They got to look at it.
The field is an incomplete pass. The receiver did have possession in the toe and down. Completed pass at the 21-yard line on the left hash.
The safety would have had to run with him if he ran across.
Nice play by Jared Wilson to get a fingertip on it. Nova gonna run. No, he flips it forward. And some running room for Goodwin, who's got a first down at the 7-yard line. Frank Clark caught him from behind. Nova with some improv. 3rd and goal at the 7. Blitz up the middle. Nova in all kinds of trouble. Got rid of it, and it's a touchdown. How did he get rid of that football? Gary Nova gives Rutgers the lead.
I think it's Frank Clark right up the middle.
Yeah.
We talked about him at the top of the broadcast as one of the impact players. Almost a big impact. Now they're going to make sure that this one was caught by Simas across the goal line.
After further review, the ruling on the field of a touchdown is confirmed.
Gardner going to throw on 1st down. Blitz up the middle. Gardner in trouble, and he's sacked. 3rd time tonight, Rutgers has gotten to the quarterback, Steve Longa, the first one to get to Devin Gardner. Getting things set. Play clock at 4. Gardner with pressure coming, pumps, throws, and that one is going to be intercepted. Picked off at the 40-yard line. They're going to say his knee was down as he made the catch. Davon Jacobs with his first interception of the season.
Not an easy tackle for Jake Ryan. He made it look easy, but in the open field like that against Carew, tough tackle.
10th play of the drive. Nova for the end zone. It is caught. It is a touchdown. Andrew Terzilli. Play clock down to 3 on 3rd down and 10. Nova facing a 4-man rush. Floats it for Carew. 1st down and more. Leonte Carew down at the 49-yard line. 26 yards before Jordan Lewis can make the stop.
Well, guess who's going to be in the middle of that field?
Yeah.
Kimoko Toure. He has 2 block kicks already. Number 53, because on a low kick, Glenn, that ball, the trajectory is low. You're trying to drive the football. 53, you're going to see him jump right in the middle of your screen.
56-yarder for the lead. And it's blocked! It is blocked! Rutgers does it again!
Excuse me, number 58. Kimoko Toure.
And Gary Nova getting congratulations from Brady Hoke after a career-high 404 passing yards.